Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning your career path or thinking about working in Singapore, one of Asia's most dynamic job markets, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the high-demand jobs in Singapore in 2025 and beyond. We'll explore which industries are booming, what skills you need, and how you can position yourself to succeed. Singapore's economy is evolving rapidly, driven by technology, healthcare, finance, and engineering sectors. The good news, there's a huge demand for talent. But how do you know which jobs to target? That's what we'll cover in detail today. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share some insider tips on how to break into these roles, especially if you're a foreign professional or a fresh graduate. Section 1. Why Singapore is a career hotspot. Before we jump into specific jobs, let's talk about why Singapore stands out as a career destination. It's Asia's leading financial hub with strong ties to global markets. The government actively supports innovation through programs like Smart Nation, encouraging tech adoption across industries. Singapore's Skills Future initiative helps workers continuously upskill to stay relevant. The country's strategic location makes it a gateway to Southeast Asia's booming markets. Plus, a high standard of living and excellent infrastructure make it an attractive place to live and work. All these factors create a dynamic job market where skills and adaptability are rewarded. Section 2. Deep dive into high-demand jobs. Now let's look at the hottest jobs in Singapore, those where employers are actively recruiting and which offer strong career growth. 1. Technology and IT professionals. Roles include software engineers, data scientists, AI specialists, and cybersecurity experts. Why? Singapore's drive to become a digital economy means every sector needs tech talent, from finance to healthcare to logistics. Example, DBS Bank, one of Asia's biggest banks, has been investing heavily in fintech, hiring thousands of tech professionals over the last few years. Key skills: programming languages, Python, Java, data analytics, cloud computing, cybersecurity certifications like CISSP. Growth stats. According to Singapore's Ministry of Manpower, tech jobs have grown by over 10% annually in recent years. 2. Healthcare professionals. Roles include nurses, medical technologists, physiotherapists, and pharmacists. Singapore's aging population and healthcare modernization efforts drive demand for qualified healthcare workers. The COVID-19 pandemic also highlighted the critical need for skilled healthcare staff. Example, public hospitals and private healthcare groups regularly recruit nurses and allied health professionals. Education, diploma or degree in nursing, healthcare certifications, and licensing are essential. Growth outlook. Healthcare sector jobs expected to increase by around 7% over the next 5 years. 3. Finance and banking experts. Positions include financial analysts, compliance officers, risk managers, and fintech specialists. Singapore is Asia's financial capital, with banks, asset managers, and fintech startups driving growth. Regulatory changes, digital banking, and increasing focus on ESG, environmental, social, governance, create new opportunities. Example, the Monetary Authority of Singapore promotes fintech innovation, attracting talent with finance and tech skills. Skills, financial modeling, regulatory knowledge, data analysis, blockchain understanding. Salary range. Finance roles typically command competitive pay, often above $60,000 per year for mid-level positions. 4. Engineering roles. Include civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and sustainability engineers. Infrastructure projects, smart city development, and green building initiatives are driving demand. Singapore's push for sustainability and climate resilience creates niche roles in environmental and renewable energy engineering. Example, the redevelopment of Tengah Smart Town requires civil and environmental engineers. Growth insight. Engineering jobs in Singapore have remained steady with a focus on innovation. 5. Digital marketing and e-commerce specialists. Roles like SEO experts, content marketers, social media managers, and e-commerce managers are in demand. As retail shifts online, businesses need digital pros to help them connect with customers and grow sales. Example, companies like Lazada and Shopee are expanding rapidly, constantly looking for marketing talent. Skills: Google Analytics, SEO tools, content creation, data-driven marketing. Trend: digital marketing spend in Southeast Asia is expected to double in the next 5 years. Section 3. What's driving demand in these sectors? Let's dig into the big picture behind these trends. Government initiatives. Programs like Skills Future help workers stay future-ready. Singapore's Smart Nation vision accelerates tech adoption. Economic shifts. The post-pandemic economy leans heavily on digitalization, healthcare resilience, and green initiatives. Demographic changes. An aging population increases healthcare demand and infrastructure needs. Global position. Singapore's role as a financial and business hub means constant demand for finance and professional services. Industry innovation. The rise of fintech, green tech, and AI creates new job categories. Section 4. Preparing yourself to land these jobs. Here's how you can get ready. Education and training. Invest in degrees and certifications relevant to your field. For example, coding boot camps for tech, professional nursing qualifications for healthcare, or CFA for finance. Continuous learning. Use platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or local initiatives to stay updated. Networking. Join LinkedIn groups, attend career fairs, and connect with industry professionals in Singapore. Internships and experience. Hands-on experience can make a huge difference. Even volunteering or freelancing in your field adds value. Language skills. While English is the working language, knowing Mandarin or Malay can be a plus in some sectors. Section 5. Special tips for foreign professionals. Singapore attracts talent worldwide, but getting a job here takes some strategy. Understand the Employment Pass and S-Pass schemes. Highlight skills in sectors facing talent shortages, such as tech and healthcare. Consider internships or local certifications to improve your profile. Engage with recruitment agencies specializing in foreign hires. Prepare for cultural fit and local workplace norms. Section 6. Real stories and insights. Let me share a quick story. Asha, an Indian software engineer, moved to Singapore 2 years ago. She spent months upgrading her skills in data science and networking extensively on LinkedIn. She landed a role in a top fintech company within 6 months. Her advice? Keep learning, be patient, and don't be afraid to reach out. Stories like Asha's are common because Singapore is open to talent willing to adapt and grow. So if you're ready to build a future-proof career, targeting these high-demand jobs in Singapore is a smart move. Remember to align your skills with market needs. Invest in continuous learning and networking. Be proactive and open to new opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more career tips and updates. Drop your questions or career goals in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're aiming for and help however I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.